Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color close friends Pocoyo and Pato step by step. Let's start drawing. First I draw Pato starting with his eyes. Then I draw his head and his hat like this. I continue with his mouth. And then I draw his body. I draw his two hands. Then I draw his two legs. One of his legs is raised like this. Next to him, I draw Pocoyo, starting with Pocoyo's eyes. Then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. I continue with his face and his hat like this. I draw his hands. One of his hands is raised like this. He was high-fiving Pato. Then I draw his necklace. And draw his two legs like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's coloring together. First, I use green to paint Pato's hat. Then I color his body yellow. Of course, Pato is a duck, so he has yellow. Then I color his mouth orange. I also color his legs orange. Red, yellow. I use sky blue to paint Pocoyo's hat. And I color his clothes sky blue too. Cream for his skin. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.